Ẹ káàbọ̀, welcome. Let's learn some Yoruba words that start with the first letter of the Yoruba alphabet. A. Ajá. Ajá means dog. Ajé means wealth. Ajé. Ajé means witch. Alẹ́, night. Next, ago means clock. Ata is pepper. Àlejò, visitor. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ is student. Adùn is sweetener. Adé, crown. Apá, arm. Àgbà, an elderly person is called Àgbà. Agbada is the traditional wear of the Yoruba man. Agbada. Now we have Àgbàdo. Àgbàdo is corn. Àgbẹ̀, a farmer. Aṣọ, clothes. So, hope you enjoyed learning some Yoruba words. Subscribe to the channel and come back for more Yoruba lessons. Ẹ ṣé, ó dàbọ̀.